Oh fuck! ABS, 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 ABS. Oh, oh, oh! Before we get into the video, I just wanted to put some things into consideration because I'm sure all of you will be wondering why I was driving so slowly on the Nurburgring. Firstly, crashing is very, very expensive. I paid for the reduced deductible for this E36 from Ream Freaks, and it only reduced the excess or deductible from 6,000 euros down to 3,000 euros, which is still $4,500 Canadian. And I'm just an average guy here, and $4,500 Canadian is a lot of money. And that only covers the car itself. If you damage the track in any way or hit another car or cause injury to someone else, you are completely on your own for that one, and it comes right out of your own pocket. And if you cause a large enough incident where they have to close down the track, you are then charged for the track closure, which I'm pretty sure is in the 5-figure mark. So yeah, crashing is a huge no-no. As the locals have told us, even in the dry and perfect conditions of the track, it is still very unforgiving in some areas and is just naturally slippery. Add rain into this mix, with all the layers and layers of rubber laid down by the thousands of cars over the years, it'll just make things 10 times worse. These 4 laps are the first I've ever been out on the ring, and trust me when I say that video games and YouTube videos will not prepare you at all for the various factors such as bumps, curbs, and other details of the track. Unless you're an experienced race car driver, I'm pretty sure your mind will be blank and you're just concentrating on surviving. Another thing to consider out there is the very fast locals and very fast cars that will come up on you really, really quickly. You'll go into a corner with no one behind you at one point, and as soon as you exit, there's a Renault Clio right up your ass wanting to move past you. There's a Clio behind me. Please pass. God, the locals are quick. I didn't even see them. So not only was I just dealing with the track conditions, which were rainy, greasy, and sometimes foggy, I also had to consider the other cars that were coming up behind me really quickly, while also looking out for any flags or road hazards, and even trying to figure my way around the place and trying to memorize anything at all, like where to brake and which apex or which line to take. There's a lot that goes through your mind out there. So of course, you don't want to push the car over its limits, and you also don't want to run out of talent at any point out there. Our ring taxi driver, Fabian from Apex,
Yeah. It's okay. Right? Yeah, it's okay. It's super greasy.
told us the keywords, stay humble. And we took that to heart out there.
The main key in ring is stay humble.
Okay, enough of me trying to be educational. Let's go to the PP and poo-poo commentary now. Okay, this is lap 2, guys. Lap 2 of the Nurburgring. Starting off with a 235i behind me. I'm seeing another truck rental. I just want you to pass already. Come on. Pass me, please. Okay, thank you very much. RSR. Okay, I'll probably be a little bit quieter this time around. Or not. It's still as terrifying. The only way to describe it is it's so slippery. It's like an ice skate rink. And the bumps don't help either. I can't even talk properly. Oh man. It's like every opportunity, the tires just want to slide. Float path's coming up once again. You only get this far in Gran Turismo, and then you crash. Why did I do that? Why did I go up to 5th? I'm braking right here. And I'm gonna brake here again. A car coming up behind. Looks like a Mini. That's an old classic Mini. fuck? Did they have a case swap in that thing? Here's the one you have to go really wide. Oh, double brakes! They're cold! Oh man, this sucks. I hope you are enjoying this, watching my misery. I've only dreamed to come here, but now it's a fucking nightmare. Can't even talk. So fucking cool, this corner. So slow I'm going as well, but oh fuck, I can feel the car waiting to kick. I'm kind of glad that my friends aren't with me on this run, just for the fact that egos, they just come. Peer pressure, it's the real thing. So stay the fuck away from me, guys. Oh my god, I'm just butchering every single corner here in the name of getting home in one piece. Oh, look, there's people. Don't look at me. Oh, YouTube. I regret watching all those crash videos. Here's the part where the back end really stepped out. I'm going to go really slow. I'm catching up to another car, but no, Justin! Don't think about passing it! Compression again. Brake. Not that I went fast enough for any jump. Oh fuck. Yep, he's just as scared as me. I know, I feel bad. It's terrible. Oh no, I don't want to pass you. Oh no, there's a really fast car behind us, and it's a fucking, oh god. Holy. Alright, I'm just gonna go home now. I just got past my whatever the fuck that was, and it was fucking crazy. Thank you. I passed somebody. No ego, Justin, shut up. Oh god, is that the ring taxi? It's happening, probably. I was in that car yesterday, and it was terrifying being a passenger, knowing that I don't know a goddamn thing about driving or anything. It's fogging up. Why? Oh, we are in Europe. Carousel again. Oh fuck. Totally the wrong thing to do. Everything I just did there. The dash cam on fucking E36. Hey, E90. Yeah, buddy. Take it slow, just like this. No cars. Full throttle, just because why the fuck not? Lap 2! Oh! Oh my god. No, I haven't gotten the hang of shit. But I really do like the suspension in this car. But then again, I wasn't going fast enough for it to be actually utilized. The glove box, typical E36. I can't even reach it. There you go. Oh. Hello. Where do you go to throw up? Fuck me. fuck my whole life. That was fun. That was intense, but that was fun. Alright, this is lap 3. I don't know what that car is, the one that passed me earlier, but it's in front now. Vauxhall? A Nova? Either way. Hi guys, quick! This guy is not. Full throttle for a little bit. Oh man, I carried a bit too much speed to that one. Understeered a bit. Annoyingly, the throttle in this car has a bit of a notch to it. So if you're off throttle fully, you step on it, feels like there's something blocking, then it goes. Oh man. Stay in third. Stay in third. And still this car really wants to slide around, and I'm trying so hard to keep it from doing that. I'm in fourth. Fuck, not third. It's really starting to fog up now. As if I don't already have enough troubles right now. Oh fuck, ABS. Oh man, that was a butt clencher. That was a butt clencher. That corner came a lot faster than I thought I was going. Oh man, it's too slippery out. The brakes are so cold. That was a big oh shit moment. That was a big one. Because I was gonna go head on to that fucking wall. "60 kilometers an hour. Pathetic. Well, one of the reasons I chose the E36 is, well, apart from having one, it is a bit of a predictable car when it starts to lose grip. It communicates pretty well. So, thankfully, it's also slow. But this car is still too fast for me. Why I should really be taking it around here as a shopping cart. Okay. It goes on for a while. No locals behind me, thank you. I'm going quiet now. I'm on full concentration. That's not good TV, is it? Oh man, I can't see shit! Where am I going? Oh, that was all right. Don't speak too soon, Justin. You're not finished yet. Okay. Now you can breathe. And the glove box again. Fucking hell. Oh. It's white knuckle the whole way. My Nurburgring experience, my first Nurburgring experience, had to be in the rain. In contrast though, if it wasn't as dry, I probably would have overcooked it. Knowing me, the rain probably saved my ass for now. We're only on lap 3. We got 2 more laps to go. Okay, time to switch to GoPro mount. Unless the track's closed, but I don't think so. Oh.